Alright, broke plant eaters, let's make some bougie ramen. In a small saucepan on medium to high heat, you're going to add a couple teaspoons of a high heating oil as well as a half a cup of drained and chopped tofu, a little splash of some soy sauce or tamari, some turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, I don't know why I did it that way, and ginger. These are all wonderful spices to really bring up the flavor of that tofu. Then you're going to add in a cup of chopped vegetables and a quarter cup of some vegetable oil to saute. I just had some red bell pepper, some green onion, and mushrooms that I had inside of my fridge, so that's what I used. You can use whatever you have on hand. You just basically want to soften those up for about 5 minutes and continue stirring so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. After 5 minutes, you're going to add in a cup of your vegetable broth as well as a cup of some water and some more spices. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, some more tamari or soy sauce. Stir that around until it's boiling. Once you have combined it and it starts boiling, you are going to just take the package contents of your ramen noodles and you're only going to use the ramen noodles. So it doesn't really matter what type of ramen noodles you buy because you're not going to use the little spice packet that's full of sodium and not good ingredients for you. Just the noodles will do for this. You can add, instead of tofu, if you don't have tofu, I usually use some edamame. Here I'm throwing in some chopped spinach. You can use kale or any other green that you have. This is really just a soup of whatever's in your fridge and throwing it all together and not just having some ramen that doesn't have any nutritional value behind it. This is kind of like a ramen 2.0. So toward the end here, I'm just going to throw some more green onion right on top and boom, you have bougie ramen. So this is great if you're not feeling well or if you have a sore throat like I do. Either way, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and if you're hungry for more, check out one of our other videos. Until next time, broke plant eaters.